Hey everyone, Sean Smithson here with Smithson Creations. So, as promised, I wanted to do a video of what happened to my hand. So, I took off the half cast and I will show you what happened. As you can see, the fifth metacarpal here is broken and went down here into here. The knuckle broke up, down, and this way. This knuckle here is actually in the palm here. So, finally the emergency referral went through a week later today, or yesterday now. But with Thanksgiving happening, I'm probably not going to get it until Monday. So hopefully it's not surgery. Hopefully I can just go through and just re-break stuff and put it in a cast. Hopefully, I don't know, but now things that I could have done to avoid it, and here's the biggest problem. When the wood was going through, everything was going through like butter. I was using a brand new Wood Force 2, Woodworker 2 forest blade. Going through like butter. And then I got to probably where I had to cut, and I was cutting 2-inch thick boards out of it. On the last end, there was a very tight swirled knot, and I don't know if that's what caused it. The wood was just harder, and cutting all the wood that I did, the blade just wasn't clean enough and just caught that wood and shot it out. And thinking about it, what I did was I tried to catch it. Stupid, I know. But it's kind of like those dad videos where you see them catching their kids from falling and stuff like that. So that's just what I did with wood. Luckily, I did not catch it in the palm, where it could have broken more bones and really caused a problem. Instead, it hit me in the knuckles here. But ways that this could have been avoided. First off, the blade guard. Could have been using that. This comes with pretty much every saw, I think, standard. That actually attaches to the riving knife. And yes, the riving knife was attached. Second, the kickback pawl could have been attached there. And what these do is when the wood is going through, what it does is it catches the wood and digs into it and keeps it from kicking back. So I think a lot of us woodworkers are guilty of that, not using those. We take them off the saw and don't use them because there's a lot of reasons. Wood's too tall, putting it through. We want to make sure that we're getting a straight cut and have that visibility. A lot of reasons. But, like I said, this was a freak accident. I had the saw on my cutting on it for 3 years, or 4 years, and never had a problem whatsoever until this piece of wood. And it twisted once it hit that knot. Oh, and that's what also happened. Once I hit that knot, the wood released tension and the wood just went like that. So, just stay safe. Keep an eye out. Don't stand behind the wood. Had I been standing behind it and just cutting straight, would have hit me in the chest, could have broken the ribs or something, or impaled me, or who knows what it could have done. I've seen some pretty nasty pictures of stuff that happens with kickback. So it's not fun. When you have kickback, it's scary and not fun. Lesson learned. Kickback pawls, I will probably use as long as I can keep using these, because I use these grippers 100% of the time, and I was using only one of them. I do have two. Had I been using two, probably wouldn't have happened either. So, my bad, my mistake, my fault. This injury is 100% my fault. But yeah, just learn from me, learn a lesson from me, and just be safe. So that's all I have to say, and I hope you guys learn from this. So just be safe on that table saw. It's a dangerous machine, but you can create some awesome stuff with it, and it's still fun. And I can't wait to get my hand fixed and get back to work, because I'm dying to get back to work. So, not afraid of it, can't be afraid of it. So, just get back out there, get in your table saw, and make some stuff. See you guys in the next video.